Welcome back to CodeRebel. You go to destination for mastering coding concept and those technical interviews. Today we have excited and problem tackle merge in a between a linked list. It is a medium level. It is a medium level problem that involve manipulating linked list in a particular way. So let's dive to solve together. All right, let's break down problem statement. We are going to learn for two linked list, list 1 and list 2, each with their one size and m respectively. Our task is to remove nodes from the n and m respectively. Our task is to find the A8 node and B8 node and put the list to their place. This result should be the new linked list. With these modifications, take a look to illustrations to visualize what we are aiming for. As we can see, these are examples. We can remove here 3 and 4 from our list 1 and list 2 in their place. The blue edges and node present the resulting linked list. Now let's dive how we can approach here to solve this problem. Let's take our problem statement is merge in a between linked list. Given a two linked list, list 1 and list 2 of size n and m respectively. We need to remove nodes from list 1 and list 2 starting from a A8 node and the B8 node and insert a list 2 in their places. Finally, after that, we have to return here the head new modifications of a list 1. So this is our problem statement of a LeetCode. So list 1 is equals to 10, 1, 13, 6, 9 and 5. We have put here n, m, n, and m respectively. We have initialized a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 4 here. List 1 and list 2 for size is 4. So our list 2 is, these are the list 2. These are the list 1, list 2 and list 1. So these are our the respective size of n and m, n and m. And so our approach is here. We start we start list 1 containing node and 10, 1 and 13, 6, 9 and 5. These are the containing nodes here. We can instructed from here nodes from third and fourth. Third means indexing from start 1 to from 1 and fourth position inclusively. We are a node from nodes 13 and 16 here. 1 and 2 and 3. So we have initialized indexes 0, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our respectively nodes here 3 is 13 and 4 is 6. So indexing start from 1, start 1 here. So initialize here. Our output is 13 here and here 4 is inclusively here. So 6, 13 and 6, which are the nodes. After removing these two elements, list 1 becoming the after that the list here 10, 1, 9 and 5. We have here insert a list 2, list and two element of a of node. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and then 1, 0, 0, 0, 2. These are into the list of 1. Start from the position here. We can remove the node of 3 and 4. And after the result is here, we can merge here. We can here merge list 1 and list 2 here, comparing these two list 2 to here. So here 10 1 uh, 1 lakh here these list 2 element are added here, and 9 and 5. So after that the result of the output is here. These are our the final output. As we next we have similar example, we have solved these method here. Next move ahead our approach and intuition behind it. First of all, we traverse the original linked list of a list 1 and to find the ath minus 1 node, which is node right before after the segment to be removed. We original list original linked list traverse here, which we find here ath minus 1 th node. Next, a second here, we have a traverse the again element, traverse again element list 2, list 2, traverse the node or traverse the after that defining the node here b minus 1 th node, th node, and after that we have here remove the segment of the right after. Third step, and traverse list 2 element here, find out the head of the node, find out its its tail here, and number 4 here, and connect the AF node and BF node of the head of the list 2. Connect AF node, AF node onto the head of a list 2 of list 2. Next, number 50 here. Here we again connect here. And connect again in bh minus 1 1th node after the head of bh node. Bh node. So this is our the, and after that we have represent the node here. This approach effectively involves manipulating the pointers within the original list to perform the requires removal, insertion, and operation performed. So our intuition behind is of the problem, by manipulating the pointer, we can efficiently perform the removal and insertion. So first of all, we have create a current list one here, and next step here, traverse the list to find the ath minus 1 th node, and for loop here, we have a current next, and we can by traversing the traverse of a list one to finding the right before this segment to be removed here. Next step, we have a list two node, traverse the list to finding details here, and after that, next step, connect the ath node to the finding the head of a list 2. Next, connect details of a list 2 to finding the bth node, and after the traversing to the bth plus node here, we can continue the traversing the list 1, finding the right node of the segment to be removed. So after this loop, current points to the node for this segment to be removed, finding the tails of a list 2 till list 2. After that, connecting list 1 and list 2. Next, we have here modify the list 1 after the, this is our the final output of these code here. We have successfully tackled the merge in between linked list problem, understanding how to manipulate pointer effectively. And is to keep our the linked list problem. I hope you find out this tutorial helpful. Don't forget like and subscribe our content like this. Keep coding. I will see you in the next videos. Happy coding, code levels.